Practical and fun, the novel Hartman Crucible Dining and Game Set will be a much-loved garden furniture set for family and friends. Enjoy hours of games in the comfort of your own garden. With a removable top, it can easily transform into a practical large picnic table. Made from durable aluminium, the set is weather resistant so can be left outside all year round. The aluminium top is light enough to be removable while still providing a good cover and tabletop. Protective feet stop the two surfaces from scratching. Easily store the top sections within the table when not in use. The pool table is covered in a soft, weather-resistant fabric, providing a nice playing surface. Although weather-resistant, it should be covered between uses to prolong the lifespan. With the tabletops on, it can also be used as a table tennis table, making it an excellent 3-in-1 set. The net slides onto the top sides easily and covers where they meet for an equal playing surface. The seats feature a hand-woven synthetic resin weave, which is comfortable and weather-resistant. One of the seats has a gas pump hinged lid and storage for all the game's accessories. The pool pockets are made from a robust plastic to withstand constant balls hitting them. With small height-adjustable feet, the benches can stay even on uneven ground. The much larger feet are also height-adjustable for an even playing level. Which game will you play first? For more information, click on the link in the description box below and please subscribe to our Garden for Less YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.